حزب الله قاعد عم يمثل المقاومة لهذا الاحتلال. فما في أي حكومة ولا شيء في لبنان، لا أنا ولا غيري، ممكن ياخذ قرار بتجريد حزب الله من ساحه بالوقت إسرائيل محتله الجزء من جنوب لبنان.
Occupying part of our country, and because of this occupation, the Israeli army is not comfortable. The Israeli people on the Galilee are not comfortable because of this occupation. So what they want us to do is to facilitate the life of the Israeli in Galilee and the Israeli army and make the occupation easy. So nobody can ask any government to do this. They are asking us to be, very frankly speaking, a traitor to the Israeli army. We cannot do that. We will not do that.
Israel is occupying part of our country. There is a resistance. The Israelis say, listen, why don't you stop the resistance and disarm them, and then we'll see. Cannot be done. How can I do it? No government can do it. It never happened in the world. Never. So what Israel is asking, it is asking the impossible. They know it is impossible. They cannot have the peace and the land at the same time. They have to withdraw.